Welcome! Today, we're going to explore how to seamlessly transfer your playlists from Spotify to YouTube Music. Let's get started. Before we dive into the transfer process, let's briefly overview what makes Spotify and YouTube Music great. The best method to transfer playlists is through third-party tools that help automate the process. Let's find the right one. First, open your Spotify app and select the playlist you want to transfer. Take a moment to think about which songs you can't live without. Now, let's take a closer look at how to use our recommended third-party tool for this task. You'll now need to authorize the tool by logging into both your Spotify and YouTube Music accounts. It's quick and secure. Once the transfer is complete, navigate to YouTube Music to verify that your playlist has been successfully copied. Now that your playlist is transferred, here are some tips on how to organize and enjoy your new music collection. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. Here are some troubleshooting tips to get you back on track. And that's it. Now you know how to transfer your playlists from Spotify to YouTube Music effortlessly. Enjoy your music.